To change font style on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll down and go for the display and brightness settings, so let's go in there. And from here you have to scroll all the way down and go for the font settings. And as you are here you have these two fonts that are on your phone by default that are come pre-installed, the default one and the Mi Sans. And if you want more fonts, actually you'll have to go for these three dots right here, and you will be forwarded into the themes application, and here you can find a lot of different font styles which are also free and which you can download. And after you find any font that you'd like, simply select it, tap on this one, and then you'll have to download it. So let's press this button to download this font, and now you can apply it from this themes application, but also as you go back into these settings, right here you will be also able to find this font in the font settings. So select any font that you like, and now it adjusts applies the settings, the changes real quick, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically how you can do this.